Decimal fractions. By definition, a decimal fraction is a fraction that has its denominator as a power of 10. For example, 3/10, 21 100ths, 357 1,000ths, etc. are all decimal fractions because we can write them as the following shown on screen. There are some fractions that do not seem to be decimal fractions, but with a few steps, they can be transformed into decimal fractions. These steps include multiplying, or dividing both numerator and denominator several times by the same number until we obtain a decimal fraction. First, we check whether the denominator may become 10 or not, otherwise we try for 100, then for 1000 and so on. Example 1. Convert the following fractions shown on screen into decimal fractions. Solution 1. We have the following shown on screen. Despite the fact that in the example shown earlier we have considered only proper fractions, decimal fractions can also be improper. In this case, it is better to write them as mixed numbers. Example 2. Express the following fractions shown on screen into mixed numbers after converting them into decimal fractions first. Solution 2. A. We have the following shown on screen. B. We also have the following shown on screen. C. Likewise, we have the following shown on screen. Not all fractions can be written as decimal fractions. For example, the fraction 2/3 cannot be expressed as decimal fraction, because it is impossible to find a whole number that when multiplied by 3 gives a power of 10. We will discuss later for such fractions on how to deal with them. That is all for lesson 3.5.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.5.2, the meaning of decimals. Converting fractions into decimals without a calculator. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.